Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix high ping on Roblox. Well, this is very simple actually. The first thing you have to do is to right click on your bar here and go to Task Manager. So when this window is open, you have to search for here, press on network, and you have to find which programs are using your whole network. In my case, no program is using all my network, so I'm good. So if you see that here is, for example, Google Chrome using 10% of your network, you have to close those processes. And if this solution didn't work for you, the next step is go to the Windows button and you have to find settings. So once you press settings here, you have to go to applications and you have to go to Roblox and you have to uninstall Roblox and install it again. And the last step is going to firewall on Windows key, and you have to go to allow an application through Windows Defender. So you press it, and here you have to press change configuration, and here you have to add Roblox. So you look for the Roblox X file, and once it's applied, you have to enable both of the options here, private and public. Press accept, and now you will be able to play Roblox without any problem. So this video helped you. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, press the bell and the subscription button, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.